everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video, I'm so excited to review for you guys, and I want to thank Pollyeye for sending me a bunch of contact lenses to actually try it out for you guys today in this video. So they actually sent me 4 eye contact lenses to actually try it out for you guys. So before we move on to this video, I want to tell you guys that I'm affiliated with them. And the affiliated link will be down below if you want to purchase any of these 4 lenses. Just go and click my affiliated link. And once you click the affiliated link, if you want to purchase any of this product, you will get a 12% discount. All you need to do is put in my name, which is Sabrina, and then you get a 12% discount. I'll also link their IG page and their actual website if you want to purchase other different shades from them. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and try out these lenses. Guys, I do have to confess something to you guys. This is the second time that I'm doing a review, because the first time I did it, I actually did it wrong. My entire eyes actually just turned red and it was like bloodshot. There's actually one lens is already opened up. With that said, I want to show you guys the packaging. This is the packaging right now. It has some kind of a holographic effect around it. It's really nice. It has it's just really cute. So opening it up, this one is a temporary tattoo that you can put on your face, on your hands, on your legs. Something really cute. It looks like a mini firework right there. And then you get a manual for the eye lenses of how to actually use the eye lenses. They gave this very cutie. This cutie is right here. It's like a cat with a heart emoji and around the eyes. So cute. And they also gave me a glitter, an eye glitter, orange in shade. Very, very pretty. They gave something in this red pouch here, and it's a jewelry, which is, oh my god, it's like my birth year. Born in the year of a horse. And the jewelry on top says good luck. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's right there. Thank you so much, Pollyeye. And you get 4 different eye lenses. I'm gonna get into that very soon. And you get 4 eye lens packaging. Because of my first video, I had to rip everything out. So I'm going to put in a clip of how individually they are actually packed. So this is a casing, very, very cute casing, very, very cute images over it, very adorable. Once you open it up, guys, it has a mirror so you can literally see your eyeballs when you're doing things. If let's say you have to carry this kit around, if you need to take out your eye lenses in the middle of the day, it's super convenient. Right here, you have a casing. You have the tongs to actually take out the contact lens out of your eyes. And you have this thing to actually put the contact lens into your eyes. The first one, which is this one called Sea Green. So when you pull out, you have the same thing, an individual casing of each lenses. This is the first shade, which is called Sea Green. I kind of like it, but on camera it looks very, how do you say, bam in your face, but in real life I don't mind it. Makes me look like I have cat eyes. With the tongs, and I'm going to take it out. So the next shade is called Pollyeye Golden. Oh, it has a little bit of a bluish green. Wow. So this is the second shade called Pollyeye Golden. Yeah, I don't mind there's a mess over here. It's because I literally pulled down on my eyes and it actually disrupted my makeup around the eyes, so don't mind that. Okay, so the next shade is called Sea Honey. It's some kind of a orangey shade. And this is called Sea Honey. This actually looks really, really nice compared to the other two. The other two was really very bright and vibrant. Wouldn't match for this look, but this one, I kind of actually like it, guys. So the next shade is called Anti-Blue Ray. Don't make any difference to my eyes. It looks looks almost the same. It's just like a little bit of like a tint of brown, but it just gives a little bit of brown. I think I have to wear these eye lenses like in sunlight. Don't worry guys, I'll give you guys like different looks when it comes to individual lenses. After wearing them on, I have a lot of ideas of how I can actually like put my look on. So this is just like a try on. So my overall thoughts and my reviews upon these lashes, I have never worn any contact lens that feels so comfortable upon wearing, because I've tried so many contact lenses in my life before, and every time when I put them into my eyeballs, it has a little bit of like that feeling that you have lenses on. But this is, it just sits so well around the eyeballs. One thing about these lenses, I would definitely tell you, it has a front and it has a back. It's because if you apply the lens backwards into your eyeball, just keep slipping and sliding around your eyes, and then when you take it out and you flip it and you put it back the front way, it just sits onto your eyeballs and it doesn't just move at all. No matter how much you blink, how much you roll your eyeballs, it doesn't move. So that is one thing about them. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the tweezers and the thing that you actually put into your eyeballs. That actually didn't work for me because my eyes was really small. I really need to like pull my eyelids, and that wasn't even enough for me to actually use that thing to put it into my eyes. Considering my eyes is actually really small, you need to have like bigger eyes than me in order to use that too. But the thongs at first, that tweezer thing, the thong thingy, at first I had problems using it. If you're the type of person that use lens every single day, the thongs will get easier. At first I thought that it was like literally like, you know, like hurting my eyes, but it has like a technique towards it. In order to take out the lenses, you just can't go straight in and just like poke out, because it will definitely poke your eyes and it will hurt. But due to the silicone rubber around the thongs tweezer thing, it has like a technique for you to actually use it. So with that said, I really enjoyed these lenses. I love the lenses. After knowing the price of individual lenses, I would definitely say it's worth the money. It's worth the money. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And literally someone is calling for me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.